So in this video, we are going to identify a problem that has been happening to this person.
There is a boy named Wayne who is casually using his computer to do schoolwork.
But suddenly, he occurred a problem that he had run into a blue screen. The blue screen tells that he has to restart the PC in order for the PC to work again. After he did restart the computer, he uses again and the problem keeps occurring. So in order for him to configure on what was happening to his computer, he tried to do a simple check to his computer to see if he can fix the problem by himself. Here are some lists that he needs to do when he needs to check the PC. First is he should check the power supply for any visible damage, and the second one is to clean the dust on the fans or the air passage that can cause the overheating issues. Then for the third part is listen to hard drive to hear an unusual sound, as it can indicate the problem.
Then we also check for physical damage. After that, we have done some checking.
By doing this, we are able to identify which problem have occurred to him. Be aware that this is some basic things to check, as this might not be the cause of it. He was able to identify the problem, which is the power supply had been damaged as it has bent into the power supply. Second, there's too many dust had built up on the PC and the other compartment as well that can make the PC to cause an overheat. Lastly, the hard drive has a mechanical function that one of the problem that is the blue screen keeps happening. The hard drive has seemed to not been able to function normally and has caused to this problem. So now he has to buy a brand new power supply that can suit the motherboard. For the motherboard, we cannot just buy any type of power supply, as each motherboard have assigned to each power supply.
We are going to clean the computer from any dust and debris.
You have to be reminded that you have to clean the compartment very carefully, as the motherboard is sensitive and can be broken easily. As for the hard drive, he has to back up the hard drive to save all of his files or his important documents, and buy a new hard drive and plug it into his motherboard. After fixing these issues, we are able to use the computer, and there is no more any type of blue screen, and any file or any documents or any important things have been saved to the hard drive.
We can conclude that the issue has been resolved. Based on what we learned, we can conclude that hard drive issue is common. In order to prevent it from happen, we must regularly clean the computer and always pay attention to the component inside.